welcome to MTV's Cribs. I'd like to introduce you to Bubbles. Right now, you're in the captain's quarters. This is where we do our driving, our talking, and if you're Riley, some tooting. As you come on in, right now, we're in lounge mode. This pedestal right here could serve as a table. Join me in the back. You have a full kitchen, fully stocked. Here's your fridge, full of breakfast ham. Our fully functional sink. We have our cabinetry, in addition to our state-of-the-art Coleman stove. And that's it. You've seen all of Bubbles. You've seen our captain's quarters. You've seen our living room. You've seen our dining room. You've seen our kitchen. Now get out!